So we're in Clovis, California, and just going to show you a little first portion of the video of your old tank. So it's a 40-gallon and looks like 2003, so 17 years old, well out of the lifespan of the water heater. This would not drain. It's been about an hour to an hour and a half, and it's still mostly full. And so there's the drain valve. What we need to do is we're going to knock it off, and then we'll see what comes out of it. There it is. So you can see. So that's how much water is in the tank. Probably every bit of 30 to 35 gallons. Tank holds 40, but you can see from the pressure that it was pretty full. So that's all the debris, all that calcium. You can see all these chunks on the ground. That's what was blocking it from draining correctly. And you can see all the debris down in that concrete line here, and then of course on the ground there. And that's the only way to drain it. It clogs up that bib, and there's no way to drain the water heater. So we got it off there. It was probably 500 pounds. Pull it off onto the lift, and our lift will hold 500 pounds. And now it's drained. But that was your problem. You were heating through all of that debris, trying to heat water, and you just weren't getting any hot water. So you just keep turning the burner up, turning the burner up. Here's all that debris in there, you can see. So just chock full. All of that you can see. So we'll get you a new one installed in a couple hours. You have hot water. Outside of that, first part of this video is done. Still here in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 50-gallon natural gas water heater. Existing vent we just reinstalled because it's kind of configured funny. It goes up to a side termination vent. It's a two-story home, so it goes in through there. That's just a nice cover plate because the sheetrock is really tight. Not really tight around the penetration, so they put that on. We did not. So that's year 90, your piece of pipe, year 90. What we did is we get a little extension piece, right? It's about 5 inches long, because this water heater is quite a bit shorter than the other one. The other one was a 40-gallon. This is a 50-gallon, so 10 more gallons of water here. Back in the back, we give you a new shutoff valve. That's a Watts 3/4 inch full port quarter turn ball valve. So quarter turn on and quarter turn off, and then back on. Then a brass nipple. You've got brass coming out of the wall. I don't know what's inside the wall, but you have brass nipples stubbed out, which is nice. Brass there, brass there. Those are yours, those brass nipples. But that's our valve. And then a little shorty, 3/4 inch and a half brass nipple. Falcon stainless steel connector, 3/4 inch inside diameter, ultra flexible, very expensive supply lines. That's all we use. Same thing on this side, Falcon stainless steel connector, down to 3/4 extensions. These are solid brass, lead free, so everything here is going to flow real nice now. Relief valve comes with the unit, temperature and or pressure here. And let's get some of the air out of there and get some water in here. Anyway, so if you get too much temperature and or pressure in this unit, this valve will pop off and drain to the outside of the building. And so that's installed. Stainless steel connector down to copper line adapter, so that's good. And so we've checked this for leaks up top, and so this just pops back in place. Okay, and you can hear that kind of banging. Boom. Okay, that means that's shut. This should be checked once a year, but most people don't. Anyways, functioning correctly down to this relief line. That's not ours. We did solder this adapter on, tied this in, so you're good. Upper third, we've got you some adjustable straps. Lower third, we got you an adjustable strap. You did have straps on there, but we didn't install them, which means we can't warrant them. It's a $10 item, $15 item that we install, and that way we can, warrant this. These come apart, and then you can reuse this over and over again. So anyways, new gas valve here, gas connector down to your burner assembly. So you can see here, this is at hot, which is approximately 120 degrees. I recommend leaving it there. Outside of that, this installation is done. Oh, one more thing. Serial number, URG 250 or WF454 15832.